Hello friend, hi, welcome to IT Magic Meta YouTube channel, and today I am going to teach you how to make virtual hard disk in real PC, okay, without any software. You not need to any software, okay, like your drive. I am going to make a 200 GB, not you can make also 400 GB. In my case I will make 300 GB, no matter 300 GB, okay. That drive you can save video, audio, image, anything, okay, for permanently. When you therefore you have to click on this my computer, this PC, okay. Right click on this PC, click on manage, okay. Now then click on disk management, okay. Then you have to show here my computer drive, all the drives show here. Then you have to click on action, okay, and click on created VHT. That for another way also here, it's here another way, okay. That I want to also show you that way, okay. You have to press the keyboard Win+R, okay. Then you have to type here disk management, okay, like dskmgmt.mxc, okay, and click press enter. Then you have to show here this versus also we will is okay. Also click on action, click on VHT, okay. Then you have to click on action and click on created VHT, okay. Then you have to where's the which tab you give space, okay, which tab you located. You have located any one tab, okay. I will locate it G tab, one new tab E tab, okay. Then you have to type also name, okay. Okay, then you have to click on save. Then you have you will show MB. Then click on these icons, okay, and select on GB, okay. Then you have to type here how many GB you want to make virtual hard disk, okay. In my case I will want to make 300 GB. Then type 300, okay. Then you have to click on dynamic expanding, not you have to choose a fixed size, okay. Fixed size if manually. You have to click this dynamic expanding fixed size. You have to click on fixed size recommending, okay. Fixed size, then you have to select dynamically expanding, okay. You have to select a dynamic expanding, click on OK. Then you have to show that complete. Then you have to show unknown 300 GB, not installed. Okay, then you have to install it. Therefore you have to right click on it. Okay, click on stylized disk, click on OK. Then you have to select it. Okay, then right click on it and click on new symbol, then click on next, then you have to click on next. Again you have to give the tag. You may give the M tag, L tag, any you have to select this. Okay, in my case I will make the M tag. Okay, N tag, so I will select N. Okay, click on next, then you have to select the NTFS and you have to give any name. Okay, in my case I will make give the name local disk. Okay, local disk, then click on next, click on finish. Then you have to show a healthy primary partition from formatting. Now mission complete. It is completely okay. Therefore you have to got it and open my computer, this PC, and you have to show here this local disk N, which is I will create it here, virtual hard disk 299 GB, 3 GB some space system located. Okay, so 299 GB. Okay, that way you have to make the virtual hard disk. Okay, I will give some video and play. Okay, it will play or not play. And you have to play it. Okay, that way you have to use the virtual hard drive. Okay, you have to save it many data up to 300, up to your drive space. Okay, up to 300 GB. Thank you very much to watching my YouTube channel IT Magic Mehta, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon, that's for when I will upload new video, that's automatic give notification. Okay, okay, and bye, good luck.